Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve join call in Messenger. To know how to solve join call in Messenger, you should just go to settings like this. We will click here, settings. Then in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger. Then in this page here you will go to click first stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will see this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.